Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Now I am going to take an ICT assignment class for class 7. Today's topic is assignment 2 and this is lecture number 7. Okay dear students, let's look at the instructions first. This is assignment number 2 for ICT and this is based on chapter 2 computer oriented devices. This assignment is for the 17th week, but this is ICT assignment number 2. The lesson number and topics related to this assignment are lesson 8 and 9 input devices, lesson 10 and 11 memory and storage devices, lesson 12 and 13 motherboard, lesson 14 processor, lesson 15 input and output device, lesson 16-17 input and output device, lesson 18 output device. Okay, let's see what you have to do from these lessons. Your task is to identify the different parts of a computer and prepare a description of their functions and necessity accompanied by pictures. So your description should contain function and necessity of the parts or devices and pictures should be accompanied with the description. And you can write maximum 250 words. Your essay should not be more than 250 words. Let's look at the instructions. Acquiring enough idea about the related topics of the textbook, using pencil and necessary equipment for drawing, taking help from parents or guardians if needed, taking help from the subject teacher through phone or virtual media due to COVID-19 pandemic, taking help from the internet, writing the essay down with your own hands. So please be careful, do it by yourself, write it yourself and take help from your guardian or teachers if you need, and use pencil and necessary equipment when you need to draw the different parts of a computer or different devices, and read the book thoroughly to understand the ideas and topics about the devices and parts. Okay dear students, here I have some instructions for you on how to do the assignment. This is assignment number 2. You should fill up the cover page properly. The subject is information and communication technology, or the topic or title for the assignment should be function and necessity of different parts of a computer. This should be the assignment topic or assignment title. Okay, inside you will start with the introduction. Here you will write some introductory general information in a few sentences. And after this, you should include a in general picture. Include a picture or drawing of a personal computer and label all the general parts. You should do it with pencil and necessary equipment as given in the instructions. And after this drawing, you should discuss in short about input and output devices. Discuss about input and output devices briefly. So this will be your introduction inside at the starting, and after this you will start the description part. In the description part, it is necessary that you include functions and necessities of all the devices. The heading can be like this: description of different parts or devices. Then you can start with the different parts and devices one by one. You can number them, write the name of the part and device, then draw the part or device, include drawing first, and then give the description including necessity and function of the specific part or device. Suppose, here is an example, suppose you will describe the processor. So write processor, name of the part, and then give picture of a processor, then give description of necessity and function of a processor under the picture. So in this way, describe all the parts or devices. Please mention which is input and which is output device. So in this way, describe all, and don't forget to include necessity and function of all the devices, and at the end add a conclusion, give some concluding remarks there. Okay dear students, please submit the assignment on due time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.